Hello everyone, I found this cocktail mixer shaker on Amazon for under $17. This martini shaker set is ideal for beginners. It's simple to use in the comfort of your own home to make cocktails. There are a variety of cocktail shaker recipes available on the site that are simple to make and help you create delicious drinks. It's ideal for home bars, parties, and special events. The 3-piece shaker set has a double cup bottom to keep hands warm when it gets cold. It is durable and does not leak or spill. It is a fantastic gift for any bartender or drink mixer enthusiasts. See link in description.